Do you have some landscape videos you'd like to share, but don't know how to optimize it for vertical screens? Great news! It's super easy to turn horizontal videos into vertical. In this video, we will show the whole process, step by step. Let's use Clipify, a user-friendly video editor. First, open up the program and select New Project, then click on Blank Project. Next, add your videos. You can either drag clips to the timeline or click the Add Videos and Photos button to use the file browser. Now, we're ready to convert a horizontal video to vertical one. Pick the needed clip on the timeline and select the crop tool. Enter the size you want to crop. If your original video is 1920 by 1080, try setting it to 607 by 1080 for a 9 by 16 aspect ratio. Drag the selection box in the preview window to choose the part you want to keep. Don't forget to check how it looks. To keep those pesky black bars away, just remember to use the same frame size you selected for cropping. Once you're happy with your edits, hit Create Video. If you want to share it online, just choose a preset for Facebook or YouTube. You can also save it as a mobile video, DVD, and more. And there you have it. Now you know how to make a horizontal video vertical. Download Clipify today and have fun adding your own flair to your videos.